Thing about my statement nowadays from the internet day, yeah, not only people but also animal can speak English. English mongoose can speak English. What do you think about that? Because nowadays English very tall important, right? What do you think about that?
Yes, it's right. Everything is easy right now as the era of the advancement of the internet, and almost everybody can use the internet nowadays because we only need to have a smartphone. Smartphone is not expensive right now. You can buy an expensive smartphone which can cost you an arm and a leg.
Ramen, right?
Arm and a leg,
Yeah,
which means very
ramen.
expensive, like
I don't worry
20
about that,
million.
right? Ramen, right?
More than that, like the price of an iPhone 15, 16, 17, or iPhone 25. That is already. Then you can buy also a cheap smartphone right now. You can only have like 200,000. You can go to a second-hand
Yeah.
smartphone store. You will get one. If you have a little bit more, like 700 or 1 million, you will get a new one with the same smartness inside it, and you can directly connect to the internet, and you can learn almost anything in the world. Everything you want, you can learn from there.